guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me. I'm so excited because this is the second collab that I'm doing with Station Stickers and I absolutely love her stickers. This time we are using her stickers. Last time we used my stickers. I'll show you guys the last. It was this one. We did this kit and used it in our planner, and this week we are using a kit from her shop. It's this gorgeous photo kit and it's got like the pumpkins and it just is perfect for fall, and it's actually called Fall Vibes. So if you guys are interested in this kit in her shop, that's what it's called. And I'm gonna link her shop down below. Definitely go check her out. Her paper is like premium matte, or at least that's what it feels like to me. It's so like amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the sheets and then I'm just gonna speed up voiceover everything. So here we go. So first you have the full boxes like I said, and then you have this like functional sheet and some sidebar stuff, and then a weekend banner, and then you have your I can't get the, there we go. You have your headers, your little things, and like some half boxes and quarter labels. You have these, I don't know if this is part of the kit or if this like is an add-on, so forgive me, I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to like look, but these are little page flags with foil on them. And you guys, I'm so excited because this is a foil, like I'm doing a foil spread. I've never done a foil spread before, so I'm so excited. But anyway, so these are little page flags that have foil on them. Then you have your bottom washi, some washi strips, some date covers, some habit trackers, your glitter headers, half boxes, labels, your ombre heart checklist. And then this is what I'm so excited about, guys. I've never ever done foil in a spread before. So this is like on clear sticker paper and then it's foiled. So I love these. I'm so excited. Like you have some foil overlays and then you have some like full box overlays as well as your date covers. I'm so excited. I think this spread is going to be absolutely gorgeous and I cannot wait to use this in my planner. So definitely go check out Christy from Station Stickers. I'm going to have her video as well as her shop linked down below. Please, please, please go check out her video and go check out her shop because her stickers are amazing. So I must have been really excited about the full boxes because I didn't put down the bottom washi first. I think this is the first time in like the history of me filming Plan With Me's that I didn't put down the bottom washi first. Like, who am I right now? So as you can see, I started with the full boxes. I must have been really pumped about them. And I just put them all throughout the middle. I kind of tried to go more old school. I feel like putting the full boxes in the middle is something that pretty much everybody used to do way back in the day. So, you know, and sometimes I still do it. Sometimes I like scatter them around. It really just depends on my mood. But I guess for some reason I was just feeling it this week. I was like, let's just put them all throughout the middle. And so then I realized that I didn't put down the bottom washi. So I corrected that mistake real quick. And I'm going to follow that with some glitter headers on the like top part of the full boxes, and then I will put them on like the bottom, and then I'll go to like the very top and put those on, and the date covers and all of that stuff. You guys, I have to say, like I'm completely obsessed with foil now. Like I didn't really understand the obsession with it before, and like I've tried to foil my own stickers, and as you can see, that didn't work out well because I never put them up in my shop. I'm thinking about like trying to get back into it, but we'll just see. I have a lot of things that I want to bring to the shop and a lot of things that I want to do with my shop next year, and so we will see if foiling makes it into the shop. We'll see, because I still have all the stuff to do it. I just haven't even tried to mess with it. I feel like it's one of those things that I just got frustrated with, and I was like, you know what, we're not doing this. But I definitely, after using foil in my planner, I'm like, okay, I understand now. It's like my spread this week is so beautiful, so I'm just like, okay, I'm a believer in the foil. So it was actually really funny because I wasn't going to do the the foil overlays on the full boxes. Like I was going to put them on like every other one and not do it on every single one. But once I started putting them down, I was like, no, these are going on every single full box. Like I am just going to go all out and foil everything. And that's basically what I did in the spread, which is just so funny because I wasn't planning on doing that. I was just planning on like putting it on a couple and not like overdoing it with the foil. But then once I got to going, it's like I can't stop, won't stop. So I am obsessed. I'm definitely going to have to purchase more stickers from I'm definitely going to have to purchase more stickers from Station Stickers because one, her stickers are beautiful, but also she has foil, and I'm now obsessed. And it was actually pretty easy to get it to line up, which I wasn't sure because I'd never used foil before, so I wasn't sure what to expect, but I feel like I did a pretty okay job like lining everything up. So then I moved on to my sidebar. Normally I save that for last, but I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and get it out of the way, and then that way I can actually go in and plan day by day, because sometimes I feel like I'm just so scatterbrained when it comes to planning. I'm all over the place, so it was nice to just kind of get like the base of everything going and then go in and plan like day by day. So I'm just working with the sidebar here. I put down some habit trackers. I put down a Monday through Sunday checklist. And then I also put down a half box. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to put there. Like I have a couple things I could put there, but I was like, you know what? I need to cover up this, little calendar at the bottom. So okay, so now we can finally move into my plans for the week. So Monday was, of course, my payday. I get paid through Etsy and Shopify on Mondays, so I wanted to mark that. And then I also needed to upload my Vlogtober video. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing Vlogtober, so I've had to edit and upload every single day, which has been a lot of work, but it's been a lot of fun, and I think you guys are enjoying it as well, so it's definitely worth it. And then I put down this little like asterisk. Is that what it's called? Yeah, asterisk. No. Yes. Oh my goodness. Little things bar because I needed to order mailers. And then pretty much my entire Monday was spent like prepping for $2 Tuesday. So I just put a to-do header and then I put a half box to note just $2 Tuesday prep because I was doing all the $2 Tuesday things like designing, photos, listings, all of that. And then I put down this little flag to mark that I needed to clean, or that I did clean rather. Actually, pretty much everything I'm putting in my planner has already happened. So yes, I did clean Monday night. So Tuesday was, of course, $2 Tuesday, and so I marked that at the very top. And then I took this half box because I needed to note that I was going to edit my Vlogtober video. So Tuesday, if you guys watched my vlog, you know that it was a really rough anxiety day and not a lot of stuff got done. So I put this little quarter box to just write that I had a rough day, just so I can kind of keep track of like how many days I'm having like a rough day. You know what I mean? Like to keep kind of track of making sure I'm having more good days than bad, I guess. So we also went to dinner that night with James's family because he got his promotion and we were celebrating. So we went to Texas Roadhouse, and then after Texas Roadhouse, we had to go to the grocery store and stock up on just a few things that we needed for this week. Moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday was actually a much better day, and I feel like it was pretty productive. I worked on some orders, and then I also did some design work for new releases on Friday. And then I also put down this little mailer icon box icon because I got my mailers in on that day, but it came like later in the day. So I actually didn't ship out my orders until Thursday because my mailers were a little bit later in the day, if that makes sense. And then I put down this half box just to mark self-care. I just relaxed for the evening and just kind of chilled because even though I had a really productive day, the fact that Tuesday was really rough really wore me out, and so I was just kind of recovering from that. Moving on to Thursday, I had a bill due. Our Verizon bill was due, so I needed to make sure that I marked that. Like, it's auto pay, so I don't even know why I bothered to mark it, but I just feel like, why not use these Bill Do stickers that we have? So that's what I did. And then I just spent a good part of the day on Thursday designing stuff for new releases. I also had to take orders to the post office, so that was I used that little foiled mailer. And then I also had a massage on Thursday night, so I put a little alarm clock for like an appointment reminder. So Friday was our new release day, and I also put up the advent calendar. It's still available if you guys are interested. I'll have the link to it down below, but I put that up. I also had to work on some videos, you know, it's my everyday working on videos. I actually filmed some videos because I had to film the new release video. And then it was James's payday, so I marked that as well. And then I also marked that we ate out because we had our nephew's birthday party and we wanted to eat beforehand, so we went and had dinner, but like we kind of like got it on the way there, so we didn't eat at home. So I had to mark that. And then of course I put a half box with some little icons to note that we had our nephew's birthday party. So now comes my favorite, the weekend. So I put down this weekend banner, and I actually put it down like way too far over, like on Saturday. So I had to pick it back up and move it over a little bit. And Saturday is actually the day that I'm recording this voiceover, and I've been editing all day. And we also got to sleep in this morning, which was really nice. So that flag was just to mark that we got to sleep in. And then I had an editing day. I also had to film this video that you're watching right now. So I apparently put some stickers on Sunday and didn't show you guys, but I just put a coffee cup because I get Starbucks on Sundays, and then a half box to mark church. And then I come back down to Saturday and I put a laundry sticker so I can do laundry today. And then I also put a half box and a little vacuum icon to mark that I need to do a lot of cleaning tomorrow. So that is pretty much everything for this week that I'm planning. Okay guys, so that is it for my spread this week. I love the way that it turned out. I love the foil, you guys. I get it. I get the obsession with foil. I need more foil. Anyway, so I didn't fill out like the end of today and then tomorrow just because I'm not entirely sure what we're doing, but everything else was like stuff that actually happened. So here's what I have left over. And I'm really excited because I have enough left over. I can use it in my print impression weeks next week, and probably like for a couple weeks actually. There's like so many stickers. I tried to use as much foil as I possibly could, and it still wasn't enough. Like I feel like I need to add more foil, but that's okay. I am obsessed with these stickers. I will definitely be purchasing from Station Stickers because her stickers are amazing. Really great quality. I love the foil. I love the premium matte. They're just really, really great. And there were so many stickers, like just you can use this in multiple weeks. It's really, really nice. So that is it for today's spread. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out Station Stickers, her shop and her YouTube channel. Both are going to be linked down below, and check out her video as well to see how she uses these stickers in her spread. But that is it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Bye.